What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the phone keeps updating issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings tap on about phone. Now here tap on software version and then tap on this three dot more option. Now tap on update settings and here you will see a download automatically button and update automatically button. So to turn off auto updating or keeps updating, turn off this update automatically button. And if you also want to turn off auto downloading of the latest software, then tap on this button to turn it off. And after that the keeps updating issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. Now after restarting your phone, the keeps updating issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Xiaomi POCO phone keeps updating issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.